So guys, today I'm discuss about that YouTube content ID option. So a lot of people asking one question. So what is the purpose of YouTube content ID things? So today I'm discuss about that. How is it getting the CMS? In the CMS getting for that option, how to using the content ID option here. What is that? Content ID. So in this we discuss about the what is the YouTube content ID. So how is working for YouTube content ID option. So first of all, we can go to the channel option here. In the every channel, after monetization, we have enabled for content ID option. Before montage option, they can't enable by content ID option. Compulsory montage will be enabled for your YouTube channel option. Just go for it. In this setting for channel settings, we can open two process. One is the YouTube channel setting. Second will be Creator Studio channel setting option. I'll show the both options. How we can open for the content ID enable checking purpose. Go to the settings in this channel, selecting for advanced settings. There are feature for advanced channel setting. They coming for here in the particular feature will be here. So in this all option will be given this one. Second thing is here they coming to this here particular channel status and the future option here in this particular things. And this option will be where the content ID appeal will be enabled. The content ID appeal will be enable this option. And same feature we can open for the same option where future eligibility you can check the here status and future. We have the two settings are there. One is the your Creator Studio settings. Second will be your channel setting. Both settings are completely different. Both setting will be completely different. So here, what is the purpose? Content ID is appeal for enable this option. So what is the purpose of content ID? Is the first question. Content ID main purpose. Each video, suppose you upload the one video, same video or visual audio, some other YouTube channel will be matched same as this. The fraction of second you get the strike. You using some other video is a copyright video, remove the video or they get the strike for monetization option will be disable this particular channel. So this feature will be given by the particular content ID. So where you can check enable will be content ID or not. In the particular YouTube channel, go to video edit option. The video edit option, we have two options will be there. One is called monetization. In this, what are your channel monetization? They give the complete details. Monetization all countries, what are the ad will be displayed, and ad will display with the where the places before video, during video, and after video. After that, second option, rights management. In this option will be given content ID enable. And one more thing, guys, once enable content ID, once we enable, we can't disable this option. Suppose I can enable this option, content ID. So once enable this content ID, anyone using this video, some other channel, they get within seconds strike. Save. Done. Now here, I'm going to save the content ID matching. Just I'm showing this option. Here, we can't disable by this content ID future. So these all compulsory have to match. Once you enable this content ID, we can't disable this feature. So content ID main purpose, any YouTube channel video, some other will be copy as is along with visual and the same content, same audio. Within second, the channel will be, our video will be getting strike. So this is the feature for YouTube content ID for the particular YouTube channel. We can apply by directly on the CMS for the YouTube channel. It is showing for content ID for rights management option for the apply for content ID for each video purpose. Automatically content ID will be not enabled. You can add will be content ID by manual option. Thank you guys. And any further videos if required about YouTube, just we can go to thoroughly check for skill2digital.com. You can follow this website and everything will be there. You can follow my social media icons, everything will be there. And we have to follow the multi-language YouTube will be there. That is the skill2digital.com and skill2digital YouTube channels will be there, and subscribe and watch our videos in the particular website and further channels. We are providing total Digital Rakesh and Skill to Digital and skill2digital.com website. Watch, and for any questions, please comment me. I'll make the video. I'll guide you how you will get the content for your YouTube channel. Thank you guys. If anyone new listener is there, please subscribe our channel and share our videos and ask any question regarding YouTube. We'll assist you for the particular comment box.